Hi guys, welcome back to Profiting Traders, where trading is a lifestyle. Okay, so thank you so much for getting through the first video where we spoke about the economic calendar and how to use it to your advantage. Okay, great. So we're going to continue with our fundamental analysis. So this is all done before and of course you enter or open your platform. So we're going to look at the next page, which is CNBC.com. So here we're going to have also a news events of what's actually happening as it's happening, basically live news. So this will contain everything that is not in the economic calendar. So events that are not planned, uh, surprising news, breaking news, all of those things you will find here. So what I like to do is have this page open during the course of my trading session so that I'm not caught off guard with news releases as they happen. So live events, events that are not planned. So we're going to look here. We can see we have the EU, Asia, then we have pre-market, we have the US, oil, gold, bonds, etc. So I'm going to be focusing on the US since I only trade everything to do with the dollar. So here we have a look at the Dow Jones, the indices, the S&P 500, and the Nasdaq. We also have the Russell 2000 here, and we have the VIX. So this will basically be information or news as it's coming out and as it's happening to track what is happening around the world, and this is for the benefits of the public and the traders. So as we scroll down here, we can see there's some news on Russia and the war. We can see we have some oil news here, and we have some more of the Ukraine-Russia war. Then on the side here, we have the latest news released 42 minutes ago, 43 minutes ago, 2 hours ago, and you can actually go into each of them and see what is happening as we speak. Okay, so as we scroll down, we have more news that may affect the currency you are trading, the news based on specific countries. As we look here, China's smartphone market could plunge 20% as COVID cases spike, but Apple may see growth. So that'll actually be very important news for the indices in the US. If you're trading the NASDAQ, which has Apple in it, so that is very insightful news. And this was released how long ago? We see it was released just under 4 hours ago. Then you can scroll down and follow more news activity. Very, very interesting and very, very key pieces of information you can uh, dial down and actually use for your trading. Then we have at the bottom the markets. We have the market movers. We have the S&P, the Nasdaq, the Dow Jones. So for interest sake, let's go to the Nasdaq, and we can see here some information about the companies and the percentages. Then we go to most active, that is self-explanatory, and unusual volume as well. We have some more information there, but you can basically just use this to follow what's happening in the world as we speak. So we see some news on Bitcoin as well and what is trending now. So we have here number one, this 38-year-old makes $160,000 per month in passive income. So there's some nice information that you can actually use here and tailor it to your own trading or your own interest sake. So as we scroll down here, we see pro news and analysis. We have some news on Goldman Sachs. We have some news on Wall Street, and we also have some videos. If you scroll here, you see some more videos on the Swiss and the coronavirus. So very, very important information on this page as it's happening or as it was released to the public. So secondly, you want to be focusing on this page when you are trading, guys, to keep up with the fundamentals as they happen. Thank you so much for watching the second video, and I will see you in video number 3.